Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
So guys, I'm just cutting the cabbage and I'm going to use half of it. So here I'm just cutting them into chunks and I'm going to blend it and sieve it. Guys, if you're doing this for the first time, I will advise you to use net. So net will help you to sieve all the water out. So if you don't know how to sieve it, I will link the video I made for cabbage fufu, so you go and watch it and see how I sieved it, and I believe that will help you a lot. So as you can see, I just rinsed my blender and pour everything inside the sieve. And I'll put it aside. So here I'm just going to cut the red bell pepper and I'm going to use just half of it and I'll chop it.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.
So after that, I'm going to chop the half of the onion, just half of 1 medium onion, and I'm going to chop the ginger and garlic because I'm going to blend everything together.
But delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for.
So after blending it, I'm going to pour it inside the cabbage. So after that, I'm going to add 1 spoonful of crayfish. And I'm going to add 1 Maggi cube. And I'm adding chicken stock, just a little bit. And here I'm adding a pinch of aromas and bay leaves. And here I'm adding curry. So here I'm adding mackerel. And I'm mixing everything together.
Time continues marching, it slowly crawls with each new one.
So here I'm adding a pinch of salt. So here I'm just mixing everything together. And I tested it and I decided to add just 1 Maggi. And after that, I'm going to mix well. So here I'm just going to blend this chicken breast and I'm going to add 2 eggs for easy blending. I don't want to add water. So after that, I'm going to blend it one more time and I'm going to transfer all the mixture into the blender and blend it one more time. So here I checked if it's well blended, but since I'm going to blend it with the mixture again, so I think that's okay. So Guys, this recipe is very easy. You don't need to do too much. So now I'm just going to transfer all the mixture into the pan. It's still remaining a little bit, so I decided to put that one in the steam. So here I'm just adding the chopped onion and red bell pepper. So guys, after adding 2 boiled eggs, I'm going to wrap it with foil.
Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue.
And I'm going to put it in the oven. So I'm going to bake it. So I'm going to bake it. So after 35 to 40 minutes, this is how it turned out. Wow, this is really amazing. It looks so yum, 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 yum. It looks so good. So thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that notification bell. In that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So here I'm just trying to taste it. Like, it's not even tasting like I'm eating already because I'm so hungry.
Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new
I don't even know where to start. But I have to start from somewhere. This moi moi, you know, tasted so delicious. Like, very yummy. Guys, you need to try this. This recipe is so good. And another thing is that it makes you to lose weight, like, because it's so healthy and packed with nutrients. So I have to give my kids to taste. So my kids actually liked it, but they didn't like it as much as they liked the beans moi moi. I gave my hubby to taste. He actually liked it, but because he's used to beans moi moi, so he said the only thing is that he wishes it's a bit thicker, but that's okay. So hopefully next time I will make it to be thicker than this. So, and I know the reason, because I did not use the net. I just used the sieve, so I didn't really take all the water out. So here is the one I steamed. I really enjoyed it and it came out really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.